to share about this room, W1seGuy room. So in this room, you will be given the file, the Python file for the source code, the one that is running. So it is here. Okay, let's take a look about how is he hide the flag. Okay, this one, he already gave the flag value. So the working principle of this challenge is you will have the flag and it will be XOR with the key. So the key consists of the only 5 random characters from small a to Z and capital A to capital Z, and from 0 to 9. Okay, because here it is using ASCII letters and digits, so it should be around 62 characters. So from this 62 character, it will pick up randomly 5 character, and so this one will be XOR with this flag, and you will get it will be given a hash code encoded value. Okay, so from our side, we need to know that this TryHackMe flag is always included DHM open bracket. So you already have 4. You can find the first 4 key, so you are only missing 1 key. So only with this 1 key you can brute force how to get it back the flag value. Okay, so this is my Python script, and I write like this. And so you already know the first 4 character of the flag will be DHM blah, and this is a hash encoded value will be given if you connect to the network, to the TryHackMe network, with an NCAT with the port number 1337 as per this description, right? Yeah, it's here. So now you already has encoded value. You already know the first for the flag. So now you can find out the first the key value. Okay, 4 character of the key value, but the the character of the key value is 5. So you have to find the last value. So I use the same script. So this is from 62, right? Because string.ascii to string.digits we have 62 characters. So I make a while loop for the 62 character, and I add the one that I got it. How can I get it? This one is a symbol. You can XOR the hash encoded value and the flag value DHM. Okay, so and then you will get the secret key, because the construction is here. If you XOR flag and secret key, you will get the encoded value. So now if you XOR with encoded value and the flag, you will get the key. Okay, so you already have key 1 to 4, and you need to brute force with the key number 5. So for this key number 5, I will start introducing like small a to Z, and then capital A to Z, and then 0 to 9. Okay, and then you will get the flag, and after that you will get a flag. If your flag ends with a close bracket, and then you already have a flag value. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, if you put this one from small a to capital Z, this is from 0 to 9. Whole total will be 62 character. Okay, let me show you my script. And you have to get a hash encoded value. If I connect here, like say this one is that I connect, and you will have a key value. Okay, I will select this one, paste, and you will get the value, and this one is the key. So this key value, if you put the key value here, you will get a second flag. Okay, I hope this one will be okay. Thanks for the watching.